What's up guys, it's me Geek. So I bought a game from FanGamer. Yes, FanGamer. Is buying a game from FanGamer worth it or not? Let's find out. Jump to the unboxing table. What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Gig. So here is a FanGamer unboxing. Yes, a FanGamer game unboxing. So here is the FanGamer game which I was waiting for. Let me open the game. I'm a huge fan of gamer website. They sell really good merchandise, to be honest with you. I wanna show you my home address. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, I mean, wow. Again, I really love FanGamer a lot. Let's see what inside. Okay, hey you Umair, what's your business with the great deku tree? What is my business? Link. I mean, wow. Amazing, to be honest with you. It's really amazing. Yeah, I mean, I really like the free stuff, I mean, which they include in the game. To be honest with you, I love them a lot. I mean, FanGamer is FanGamer at the end of the day. Okay, that's enough for this stuff. Okay, let me put inside, and then let me open the game for you. Okay, you already guessed it. The game is gonna be Undertale. Yes, the game is going to be Undertale. Wow, where nobody has to die. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Undertale. I mean, game. And then about thanks to FanGamer. Thanks to FanGamer for bringing this game. Now jump back to me.